Hey, welcome to my new channel, Cooking and Drinking. I'll start off by saying I'm not an expert at either one, but I sure do try my hardest. Not every day. Well, kinda I do. Anyways, we're gonna do this cute little rack of ribs today. And we're gonna be doing some sweet stinging honey garlic and some honey mustard. I'm only using the mustard. I don't usually use a binder, but it's honey and it's mustard. So let's do it, because that's the theme of today, sweet. All right, so we are going to slather a little bit of this on there. We got the grill fired up, little Pitmaster to 250, and we're just going to do the normal, whatever, 2-hour deal. Take her out, wrap her. Another about 2 hours. And take her out and uncover. And then put her back in the tent. About 2:05-ish. Oh, not that side. That wouldn't have been very good. Not going to go very heavy today. This is pretty much a test or a prelude to a video I'm hoping to do tomorrow. This is a rack from Walmart, which cost me about $12. Now I got a local butcher shop I go to. I get the same cut, St. Louis, for about $60. I've done that 2 or 3 times, in Walmart 3 or 4 times. The last Walmart one I made, I'm pretty sure was the best tasting. Now, like I said, I'm not an expert at either cooking or drinking, but when it comes to steaks, I can definitely tell the difference. When it comes to ribs, I can't really tell the difference. Anyways, let's get some of this on there. Let it rest, soak in. Till that grill's up to 10. And then we'll throw her in there. Oh, by the way, I already trimmed it and took off the membrane. So that's all right then. Get some there. Some good sides, ends, whatever. All right, so that's on there just until we get do our 2 hours for the bark to get up, crisp up. And then when we wrap her in the foil, I'll really lay it on. We're gonna go with some hot honey, some butter, when we wrap it, and and maybe something else. But anyways, we're gonna let that sit until old pit master's up to temp, and we'll be back. All right, we're back. The grill's fired up. And by the way, I think I called it a pit master. It's a pit boss, obviously. Blame that. I got her seasoned up. We're gonna throw her on there. Let's go. Oh yeah. Get that baby up there. Slap her in there. Scrunch her a little. Drop her down. About an hour, we'll come back. Spritz her down. Some, what is that? Half water and half, oh God, let me look. Apple cider vinegar and water mixture. About an hour. So we'll see you then. All right, we're about an hour in. We're gonna go spritz them, see what they look like. Let's go. Well, I gotta say it looks a little different than what I'm used to, but it's more like a beef jerky. We'll spray her down now. Come back in about an hour. You good? All right, it's been about 2 hours. Let's go get that baby out of there. Oh yeah, get you a picture of that. That's not good. Oh yeah. We'll pull back. Let's go get it wrapped. Wrap this rascal. All right. So what we got here today, we are going to start off with some hot honey. Lay that bad boy down on there. Should have got more.
No picture?
Huh?
There's no picture on this side.
Just got tap screen. I'll come back up. Just screensaver. Yeah, I know I should have got more. That's fine though. Now we're gonna put a little more of that stinging honey deal back on there. Because if you remember, I didn't put that much on there at first. So get a little more of that bad boy on there. Gets a little sticky there. All right. Now we're gonna get some pats of butter. What did I do with my knife? It's a pat of butter knife. Good. She's melty. That should be enough. Yeah, looks good. Then we're gonna finish it off with some sugar in the raw. A little turbinado. Yeah, in our drink. Just that bad boy. Now, usually, like most people, I use brown sugar, but I'm gonna try a little something different. I'll just go all the way. See what happens. Grab this little beauty. Slap her right on there. Double wrap with our foil. And she's gonna go back in for another 2 hours. Let's go. All right, been about 2 hours. Let's go see what we're gonna do. Now this is the point where most people unwrap it, baste it with something, put it back on. I'm not gonna do that. I am going to unwrap it. Like so. God, look at that. Look at that bone pull back. My God, they're about ready to fall off already. I'm not even sure if I should do this part. Holy crap. But I am going to take that. Jesus. I'm not even sure if this is going to work. Gently flip this bad boy over. Oh my God, it's falling apart already. I can't even do it in one piece. God. Holy shit, the bones are falling out. Everything. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Oh my gosh. Flip that over. Oh man, looky at that. Look at that bad boy. Now, I just let it soak in here. I'm going to keep it in here for about another 30 minutes or so. Leave it in the juices. And then that's going to be something. That will be something right there. So we will come back in 30. All right, here we go. We're going to take them off because they look done when we unwrapped them. So we're getting a little nervous. She's smoking. Pit boss is going, and I'm pretty sure those are done. Look at that pullback, that bone pullback. Yeah, that's like when we flipped them, they broke right in half. You ain't getting any more done than that. Like, I'm nervous even to take that off. I mean, yeah, that's a smaller rack of ribs, but I mean, geez, I don't even know how to do this. Should I just take the whole thing? Should I get those bad boys like that? I mean, is that even gonna come off? Look at that. Look at that. There we go. Would you look at that?
Got a straggler.
Yeah. I'm gonna push it back in there for now. We don't need that. That's pretty. That's pretty. Jesus. I don't know what to say about that. That smells awful good. I bet if I turn these over right now, every bone would just come off. Like, it would just fall off. So let's see what happens.
I bet you're right.
Like, they ain't even holding. That is crazy. We got one that's trying to hold on, so we'll leave him on there. Yeah, yeah, that one's on there too. That's pretty. We'll just leave that one like that for now. And we are going to cut these bad boys up and then feast. First a drink. Here, click. All right. There we go. What are you drinking on?
I got me some brandy over here.
Oh, God.
Ooh.
Got some Remy Martin VSOP. We ain't drinking that tonight.
That's for mixed drinks.
Yeah, but we sure are going to blast into these here in a minute. Good Lord. We'll start with this one. And I'm not even going to flip it up and cut it like I usually do, because I'm sure it would just fall apart. Get through that bit. Gee, I can't even cut it without the bones just coming out.
I just pulled right out of there.
Yeah. That's crazy. Okay, we might have one now. Maybe not. And we'll go this way. Pretty smoke rings. So I don't even know what to do with this one. And I'll just cut this bad boy. I'll flip this over, cut it so I stop tearing that bark up. We are about to get some pieces of that. Which one you want? I'm going for this bad boy.
Try it out.
Action. Let me see. Ooh.
A little hot then.
Yeah.
Just took them all.
Oh, man. That's fire, though. That is something good. Do get you a piece of that. Yeah.
Grab me one of them.
That's hot.
Oh my gosh, the outside's just falling right off of it.
There we go. You can taste that.
There was a bit of bone left in that one.
Yeah, it's always got that little bit of bone. God, that just falls. Look, like you can't even.
Yeah, it's hard to film and mess with
Right.
that shit.
All right, we're gonna eat, but we'll be back tomorrow with another video. Hopefully, comparison with a lot more expensive ribs. See what happens then.